Thank you for joining us for this fitness and food focused review of the Excellence Coral Playa Mujeres, a sophisticated 5-star adults only all inclusive resort that opened at the beginning of 2025. We stayed for 1 week in September of 2025. The resort is located about 45 minutes north of the Cancun airport by car. It is within the double gated community of Playa Mujeres, meaning the community itself has a gate as well as the resort. This trip was particularly fun because we got to spend time with our friends Steve and Betty as well. The resort has a more contemporary vibe versus the other two Excellence resorts in Cancun and features 450 suites including swim-ups and 2-story rooftops. We stayed in the Excellence Club section of the resort, more on that later. In the main lobby you'll find the check-in areas, the Excellent Club lounge, many of the restaurants, a big bar, and also the coffee shop. The resort has lots of fun areas to sit, as well as a large entertainment space where they have their nightly shows. There's also a big patio space where they do some of the other shows. The resort has 7 pools, 3 of them are accessible to all the guests and 4 are for the Excellent Club members only. One of the pools is particularly cool because it's on top of the X Lounge and has an infinity edge with views of the resort and the ocean. The main pool is huge, with lots of room to walk around in, and they also have some activities there during the day. One downside of a brand new resort like this is that the vegetation hasn't fully grown in, so it does have a very new resort vibe in that way as well. This is one of the Excellence Club pool areas. You can see it has a swim-up bar. During our trip, we didn't see any issues with getting seats around the main pool or the club pools. The beaches here are very nice because they are partially blocked from getting some of the seaweed because of the island Mujeres. We'd recommend joining the Excellence Rewards program through their website and also booking on their website because they have really good rates and you can get things like free transportation with 3 nights or more. We stayed in an Excellence Club room with a private pool. It was beautiful and had an overlooking of the golf course next door. It would have been nice if some of the more of the vegetation is grown in, but that will happen with time. You can see here the room has an interesting jacuzzi tub that has a view of the outside. There's also a curtain on the inside. We didn't use it because the pool itself was heated and that was really nice. The room has lots of amenities. There's all the snacks and the drinks. There's a fridge down there with alcohol and other drinks in it and more snacks. There's a TV where you can do casting and stuff. It has also a selection of premium alcohol. There is a really big walk-in closet, which we like that. Space to put your bags out of the way. Big bed. The bathroom is really nice, other than there are these strange drops at the edge of the sink. Not sure why they did that. And then here's the living room section of the hotel. Nice couch, nice chairs. Very, very cozy. So now making our way into the gym. This is the fitness area, Erica's favorite part of the resort in many ways. It's a brand new gym and probably the best of the Excellence hotels that we've stayed in. Perhaps on par as the top gym along with the Iberostar. Used to be the Grand, now it's the Hoya, I believe. This is a really good gym, lots of equipment, lots of space. Erica's doing a class here, they offer classes most days. This is Erica doing one of the Crazy Train workouts with Betty. Here we have an aqua spin class.
14, 15.
What are you doing? And as Erica said, of course, there was pool walking. There's also a section with tennis courts and pickleball courts. If you stay at the Excellence Club area, you get the hydrotherapy circuit included, which is a lot of fun. This is the cold plunge. Now let's make our way over to the food section of this video. For breakfast, we would always eat at the kitchen table. As we've mentioned before, we love a breakfast buffet. There are some other options, of course, but this is one we would always pick. There are all kinds of different stations to pick from, and there's also a mimosa bar and a smoothie bar, and there's cold cuts and fruit and pastries and all sorts of great stuff. You're bound to find something really good for breakfast. Aroma is the coffee shop. They have a selection of pastries, coffees of course, as well as an ice cream bar. The coffees are really good, the pastries are really good, the ice cream's really good. It's really good. Cacao is new to us. It's the chocolate shop for the Excellence Resorts. They have some really good chocolates here, all sorts of different ones you can pick from, and it's all part of the all-inclusive package. The Excellence Club Lounge is located off the lobby. This is where you'll check in. If you have any questions, you can go to the desk here. There's a bar here with premium alcohol and drinks, and there's also a little area with different snacks during the day. The taco place is good for a quick bite, but it wasn't our favorite food overall. Agave is open for lunch some days. It's a Mexican restaurant and a very nice option if you don't want to be outside.
Tuna.
Chimichanga. Steak.
Grilled meats.
The Lobster House and Oregano restaurants are located in the X Lounge building. The Lobster House has a seafood theme, including lobsters at night. The lunch is very tasty, lots of good options. I enjoyed the seafood soup. Oregano is an Italian trattoria theme. Again, I'd recommend trying the soup, and I would also recommend getting a pizza because they're very tasty. This is a margarita pizza with prosciutto. Scampi risotto, and Erica eating salmon. Las Olas is located on the beach area and includes sandwiches, seafood, and things such as poke. I would recommend getting the poke, and I would also recommend trying the nachos if you're a nachos fan. The burrito was just okay. Our first stop for dinner is Chez Isabelle, which is the French restaurant. While I was very happy with my filet and other items, the rest of the group weren't so impressed, especially Erica, who really enjoys this restaurant at the other locations and thought this one was not as good for the fish or the soup. We have had friends though that have gone back since in January, and they said that when they went it was very good. Magna is one of the 2 club restaurants open for dinner and certainly one of our favorite restaurants from the week. Everything we had was really good, so I would recommend everything. In particular though, get the tomahawk steak. That is a good steak. contemporary Mexican restaurant is really good. It's got a great vibe, the service is really good, and we did the tasting menu, so if you arrive at the right time for that, we would definitely recommend it. It's a lot of fun and very tasty. The grill was another one of our favorites for the evening, so much so that we went there twice.
Made with pepper frost, parsley leaves, watermelon radish, and the green pico de gallo.
This is the New York strip, and these are the
You feel rich next to it? Oh.
braised beef ribs. There is a second restaurant exclusive to Excellence Club stays called the Zenith. This restaurant is in the same X Lounge building at the front overlooking the ocean and features a range of seafood and steak options. In particular, the king crab salad's very good, the pan-seared sea bass, the smoked octopus, and the cowbait Kentucky steak are all worth trying. One note, when we were there in September, there were quite a lot of mosquitoes after the sunset, so be aware of that. The sports bar has a simple bar menu and good drinks, and it's a good place to go watch some sports. While Eric and I didn't go there, our friends went to Spice, and here are some pictures of the food that they had. If you're staying at the Excellence Club and they ask you if you'd like to go to the Speakeasy, say yes, it is a lot of fun. So overall, we really enjoyed our trip to the Excellence Coral Playa Mujeres, and we would go back. There were a few minor issues from it being a new resort, but I think with time it'll be fantastic. If you've been back since, maybe drop a comment. Thank you.